Hello everyone, Vaibhav Verma this side, and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about maintenance under section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code. For granting maintenance by the magistrate, there are some essential conditions which should be fulfilled for claiming and granting maintenance. Number one, sufficient means for maintenance are available. If any person has sufficient means for maintenance, then it is his duty to maintain his wife, children, or parents. If sufficient means are not available, then it will be a perfect and valid defense for the people who are legally bound to maintain his wife, children, or parents. It is obvious, not able to maintain yourself, you can't maintain others as well. Here the term mean does not signify only visible means such as employment or real property. If a man is healthy and able bodied, he is well educated, then one can know that even a magistrate can understand that he can able to earn well and capable of earning to have the means to support his wife, children, or parent. Capability of a person to pay must be proved to fix the quantum of maintenance. To determine the valuation or the allowance to given to the entitled party is based upon the capability of a person to pay, that such person can pay such and such ample amount and to as a claim to maintain them, maintain them and maintain himself also. Second essential condition, which is neglect or refusal to maintain. Neglect or refusal to maintain is also an essential condition to granting maintenance. Person from whom maintenance is claimed is must have neglect or refuses to maintain his wife, children, or parents in a malefied intention or in any type of egoistic behavior on the demand of maintenance by them. Here neglect means default or omission in the absence of a demand, whereas refusal means a failure to maintain or a denial of obligation to maintain after demand. It may be by words or by conduct, it may be expressed or implied. When there is duty to maintain, mere failure or omission may amount to neglect or refusal. Maintenance means appropriate food, clothing, and lodging. So, we have seen in the last point that the capability of person to pay, and here we are seeing that if such person neglects or refuses the demand by the entitled party to give them the maintenance, such two conditions are essentials for determining the maintenance, for granting the maintenance. Now coming to the third essential condition, that is person who claim maintenance must be unable to maintain himself and herself. If any person, whether irrespective of whether she is wife, parent, or children, are capable of maintaining themselves, then they are not entitled to claim the maintenance from the respective person. For an example, if I am able to maintain myself, I am not able to entitled to claim maintenance from my parents, as this one is a very important condition for granting the maintenance, that a person who is claiming maintenance must be unable to maintain himself or herself. For example, if wife is earning well, then she cannot claim maintenance from her husband under this section. The maintenance has to be determined in the light of standard of living of person concerned, so that the amount of maintenance should be such that the woman should be in a position to maintain herself, and that it should not be much below the status which she was used to get at the place of her husband. For an example, A and B, husband and wife respectively, they got divorced for any reason. Now wife is entitled to claim the maintenance if she is unable to maintain herself. So the amount which she get from the husband is that the amount is that the standard they were living together, as they were living together, so that she can maintain herself to that par. Now coming to the fourth essential condition, which is quantum of maintenance. Quantum of maintenance means the amount of maintenance. It depends upon the standard of living. For example, if any issue raised in a rich family, then the demand for maintenance will be more as compared to poor family according to their standard of living in a prior life. As I have given you an example in the point 3, that A and B are husband and wife respectively, they live a they live a standard life in which they are able to purchase standard goods and commodities. So after they get separated by mutual consent or by any way, they got divorced. So wife is not able to maintain herself now. So the amount which she going to get from her husband or going to claim from her husband is very much similar, so that she can live up to that standard when she was living with him. Now coming to the point, in case of failure to pay the maintenance, the magistrate can issue a warrant to the magistrate can order imprisonment, which is no case can exceed 1 month. Thank you for watching. Thank you.